Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to log. To log Google Sheet, you can right click on Sheet and then you can go to Protect Sheet. You'll be sure for Protect Sheet dialog box on the right bar. And in here you can set for the sheet into sheet or you can choose the rank. As example, I will use sheet and then you can click set permission. Now you can change for restrict who can edit this rank, only you, or you can custom, you can add another people to edit your file. So in here you can set only you and you can click done. Now you can see the sheet will be automatically locked. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to log. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.